17x17 pillow covers. Place this set of modern throw pillow covers on the couch, armchair, loveseat, or bed to create a welcoming atmosphere in your home. Pillows, inserts, and stuffing not included. Great for crafts. The blank throw pillow covers feature an unfinished surface that you can embellish with your own unique designs to revive and refresh furniture in living rooms, bedrooms, or offices. Washable. The canvas throw pillow covers are made from cotton material that is soft, yet protective against dust, spills, and food splatter. To clean, machine wash with cold water, tumble dry low. Dimensions. Each DIY pillowcase measures approximately 17 by 17 inches with a hidden zipper on the side for convenient and easy removal. What's included? Includes 4 ivory plain pillow covers to decorate and add to your DIY home or arts and crafts supplies. Note: pillow inserts are not included. Top reviews from the United States. Good deal. Came folded in fourths and stacked. I ironed on linen setting. No issues, did HTV with 0 problems. Haven't washed yet. Size, color and shape as described. One corner was inside out but I easily fixed it with my pinky finger in 2 seconds. The zippers are cheap. I don't think these will hold up well under 3 kids and 2 dogs, but I want these just for one little spot in one kid's room for occasional use. Hopefully they will be okay.